Look, I got a roof and a bed, a couple groceries to stay fed. I've got a phone and clean water, and some shoes when I wanna go farther. Today I've got so much to be thankful for. I woke up this morning thinking thank you, Lord, for giving me everything I could ever need and more. I've got so much to be thankful for. Hey, I have lights and a fan, a couple people who know who I am. I have a car and clean clothes, pots and pans that can cook on a stove. I have the sun in air in my lungs,